Okay, so I've been really excited to show y'all some of these. Uh, this is a small microgreens growing kit, and if you don't know what microgreens are, Google it and look it up, and you'll be surprised. So, like, for instance, any seed that you can grow. Let's just take arugula, for instance, because I love arugula. You can do this microgreens with arugula, and all the microgreens are, you can do it with any plant in the world. All the microgreens are well, any vegetable anyway, lettuce, stuff like that, is it's the seedlings. So as you can see in this picture here, that's just seedlings of sunflower. The thing is they call it microgreens because all of the nutrients of the plant is still in this little seedling. So it's amazing nutrients. See, nutrients, enzymes, microgreens. But it's the amazing packed nutrients inside these small seedlings. So here's the arugula one. Same thing, you just get different packages. I'm not sponsored by these people. I have no idea who these people are. In fact, I got this from a subscription box that's called the Homestead box. Now, so far as I'm aware, I don't think they make the Homestead box anymore, which is a shame because I actually really love that box. But anyway, these microgreens, all they are is seed sprouts, seedlings. And you take these and you, just cut however many you want and throw into your salad. So as you can tell by the size of my hand, that this is a small package. It's not very big, and depending on how many you put in your salad, this wouldn't last very long at all. In this particular method here, in these little kits, you are still growing in soil. It comes with a little puck, kind of like you get with some of the growing kits in the bottom, and you grow this in soil, which you would think is the only way to do it, but it's not. Enter the sprouting kit. Ditch the dirt. This, again, I'm not affiliated with these people. I don't know who they are. I also got this in the same Homestead box, the same exact one. And here you go. Grow your own in 2 easy steps. All you do is soak the seeds in there, rinse the seeds twice a day, and sprouts are ready after 3 to 4 days. Now, this is going to depend on the heat and stuff as well. So, it's always going to be different. But see, this is that's the seeds or sprouts that this particular kit comes with. And this is made by Handy Pantry. Like I said, I'm not affiliated. If I can find a link on Amazon for this, I will link it in the description below. I'm not affiliated with these people at all. I don't know who they are. I just got it in the Homestead box. But I have used it. Here's what it looks like. I'm using it now. I keep this one on top as a lid. This is some of the seeds that I've started to sprout. And you can see those little tiny holes there. That's what lets the water out. And you can see these seeds are tiny. So there's little tiny holes there. I mean, it's just this invention is really, these people were very smart. Especially the way they got these trays stacking. See, that's one tray I'm doing. And then that is the base for this one and a cover for the next one. And these obviously are much bigger seeds. This is a seed mix here. And this one's just all the same type of seeds. This is, I believe, I can't remember what I put in here, to be honest. I think this was arugula or something of the sort. This is like, you know, it's got mung beans, garbanzo, it's got all kinds of, it's a mix of things. But as you can tell, it works quite well, and there's no soil. So this is using just water alone. Now they do make the same company makes a lid that you can just put on a mason jar, which I would imagine that can't be but a few bucks. And it does the same exact thing. Now, instead of growing in a wide area, obviously you're going to be growing in a smaller area, so that stuff kind of gets matted together. Because I've actually made one of my own before. You just, you know, put some very small, like they call it hardware cloth or something like that, or you can put cheesecloth or something like that over the top of the mason jar, and you keep filling, you know, rinsing the seeds off and pouring out most of the water. You leave it wet in there, and they will sprout in that. But they just kind of all grow together. It was a little bit harder to mess with. I really like this, the way everything spreads out. Obviously, I put one small pack of seeds in there, so this one's not quite full. But this one is. So that just gives you an idea of, you know, how much more you can do and how much better it kind of spreads out. And I just like the way this is all contained. You know, it's not design or quality or anything. It doesn't look great, but it doesn't look horrible. And it keeps everything covered up. So that's what I wanted to show y'all. If you don't already know what microgreens are, please look them up, because they are amazing for your body. They're amazing for your health. And they're something you should definitely be eating. Alright, quick update. This is what they look like. It's actually been about a week, because we've had extremely cold weather, especially here in Georgia, or here in Georgia. So it has taken these a lot longer than the 3 to 4 days. It's been about 7 days, but you can see all these are sprouted. They're still not quite done yet. I would let these go a couple more days, and then all the small seeds, that's what you get there. So all of these are done. You know, you can tell some never sprouted, and that's normal. You know, you're not going to get 100% germination rate, but the very vast majority of them did sprout, and these are ready to go. So these I can throw into a salad. These I'm going to let go for a couple more days. But that's it. And I've already I have not tasted these, because like I said, they're not quite ready, but I have tasted these. They're arugula, and man, they're great. And microgreens are so good for you. If y'all haven't looked those up, man, look those up. So easy to do. They're great on a salad, packed with nutrition. So, all right, guys. See y'all on the next one. And these are done. Here's the small ones. Here's the big ones. Now, you can leave these uncovered and let them get a little bit of sunlight if you want to. You can tell I just rinsed these again, but you can let them get a little bit of sunlight if you want to and grow a little more.